Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Tifa. Tifa with a brand new music video called Don't Real. Yeah. So this one upon the Mercedes Riddim. Mercedes Riddim is juggling that's going to be falling out. So Tifa they upon the Riddim first. So that song out first. Big up the production team behind the one. Yeah. One big up the producer DOH. And the label for that one is Celtic 222. So big up on yourself, We're gonna jump in the one and hear what Tifa say. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me. Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Tifa, Don't Real, let's go. Pull up. Let's go. Big up Celtic. Caribbean cuisine, beauty. Okay.
Yeah, girl, I really can't stand she, you know. She feel like she better than people, like she too high and mighty.
Which accent is this? Which of the Caribbean island accent is this? Cause you know, so them do them distinctive, big words, but distinctive, bad. You know, so them have them look weird, them look where them word things more time. Which one is this?
She feel like she better than people, like she too high and mighty.
She high and mighty.
Yeah, going with she invite me to lunch. She get me food, so why you know?
So she invited to lunch. You get food, so that's where you go. You love Belly? All right, Belly has.
Yeah, going with she invite me to lunch. She get me food, so why you know? Hold on, a call coming through. Is she that, yeah? I'll call you back. Hello. All right, I come in.
So obviously she had chat the person when she had gonna meet now with one of her friends on the phone. Who is this person?
All right, I come in.
Is that Tifa in the shop? Long live Bala. Is that Tifa in the shop? That's Tifa. Sure, that's Tifa. Manhattan.
Good.
Oh, Tifa in the car.
I'm not going to meet inside.
The same girl that. So Tifa, she did attack. Oh, so look like Tifa get. May I talk the story? Yeah, may I talk it before me get to it. Look like Tifa get a call from the person who was in the shop and say, yo, Tifa, that girl there, say, watch her now, she will poison your drink. So she will poison your drink.
The bad Celtics 222. Paper, be on the lookout. Them I know who them said them is. Kaya Cassie, I'm a friend and love me to the end and sit down and chat my business.
Bumbo clad. Sorry for the bad word, brother. I want the legal over here. All this. Walk in, pana, look on her face. Look shocked. Look shocked like a rabbit caught in the headlights. Say shock.
Paper, be on the lookout.
Set up, she get set up now. Boss, lock the door, look there. The boss lock the door already. Yeah, you chat too much. Yeah, man, you don't real.
6222. Paper, be on the lookout. Them I know who them said them is. Kaya Cassie, I'm a friend and love me to the end and sit down and chat my business. They can never.
Let me just say this. From you see the look at Tifa gear in the car, you know say she fuck up. Look on the look here. You know say something go wrong. Cause the look at Tifa gear, that look they say, hey, me know where you up to. Me know you're up to, big boy. Me know where you're up to. Now look there again. Look on the look again.
I'm not going to meet inside.
Look on the second look. Look again. Now look there. Jesus Christ. Yo, Tifa.
The bad Celtics 222.
The bad
Paper, be on the lookout. Them I know who them said them is. Kaya Cassie, I'm a friend and love to the NRC, don't and chat my business. Make you never did tell me say you did hate me, and you did a wish bad for me.
Make you never tell me say you did hate me. You think a lunch you go cause your belly has. Make you never tell me say you hate me. Make you never tell me say you don't like me. How you want to eat out of my hand and you don't like me? Hey, girl!
Make you never did tell me say you did hate me, and you did a wish bad for me. Make you never did tell me say you couldn't stand me, and what God planned for me. Hey, because me, I gotta tell you right now, you is a bad man, bitch, no blow.
I like the rhythm, I like the rhythm, I like the rhythm, I like the rhythm. Mercedes rhythm. I gotta tell you right now, say a bad man right now. Had that me I tell you say a bad man right now. So watch I go on.
You never did tell me say you couldn't stand me, and what God planned for me. Hey, because me, I gotta tell you right now, you is a bad man, bitch, no blow.
Yeah.
I'm in a fake, me a snake, put a one in a them place. That's my word, yes, that's a for me vow.
One thing them can say about me. Me no fake brother, me no snake brother. Me I go put a one in them place. Me have to go put in your place. You see if me a prayer, me I go tell you say me I go pray. If me not tell you, me I go make it known say me a prayer. Yeah. Me I go start move different. Until you ask me to go on, me I go say, yo, you know say you is a yeah. Yeah, me I go tell you straight. So Tifa make you know, me not play the hypocrite game with you. No, sir. Me not get a chance to stay close to me. No.
Hey, because me, I gotta tell you right now,
you is a bad man,
bitch, no blow. I'm in a fake, me a snake, put a one in a them place. That's my word, yes, that's a for me vow. Some of them stories, some of them.
Look on her face when she get bad up. You have two girls circle with baseball bat, you have foul and a push up mouth. Hey, girl, watch her.
Put a one in a them place. That's my word, yes.
Watch her face. Look on your face. Fix your face. Chest too high. Tuck in your chest. Road. Tuck in your chest.
That's a for me vow.
Road.
Some of them stories, some of them stories. Me just glad me find out before them done me like a meal.
Me glad me find out before them make them next move. Me glad me find out before them done me like a meal deal. Me glad them find out before them empty me like a water bottle. Me glad me find out.
Me just glad me find out before them done me like a meal deal. Some of them stories, some of them stories, some of them stories. Only God can judge me, only can't do me nothing. Yeah, some feel. Let me dodge this a knife in my back. Hey, I don't know try this a girl I can't stop. Hey.
Yo, a long time I rate Tifa still now. Big pan a big man thing in a dog. I rate Tifa, honestly, hands down, Tifa one of the baddest girl in the dancehall, brother. Tifa one of the baddest girl in the dancehall. I don't know what, but Tifa does different, dog. Like, seriously.
Only God can judge me, only can't do me nothing. Yeah, some feel. Let me dodge this a knife in my back. Hey, I don't know try this a girl I can't stop. Hey, me not look back because I'm straight to the top. Hey, wish bad for me and none don't stop flop. Hey, even
oh my God. Nah, look back.
God can't judge me, only can't do me nothing. Yeah, some feel.
Yeah.
Let me dodge this a knife in my back.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know try this a girl I can't stop.
Yeah.
Hey, me not look back because I'm straight to the top. Hey, wish bad for me and none don't stop flop. Hey, even
Uno wish bad for me and look on a flap out this like two bird wing. Uno wish bad for me and I don't know what this are suffer back for life. Watch your two long breasts them and slap against your knee. You out this are back for life and you wish bad for me, girl, get away, you know good.
Me not look back because I'm straight to the top. Hey, wish bad for me and none don't stop flop. Hey, even wanna do it look like he turned back. Hey, good over.
Return to the sender. What you do? What you do? You can't handle. Return to the sender.
For me and none don't stop flop. Hey, even wanna do it look like he turned back. Hey, good over wicked. Hey, God have my back. Yeah, my eye blessed that a uno can't block. Yeah, my riches just a grow right from the black. Yeah, some of them dory. Me just glad me find out before them done me like a meal.
Yo, Tifa, wanna make sure someone broke up that girl, you know? Make sure someone broke her up. Yeah, broke her up. Bro, if I have a fingernail, forget broke. Something forget broke. Yeah.
Me just glad me find out before them done me like
a meal deal.
Some of them dory. Some of them dory. Only God can judge me, only can't do me nothing. Yeah, some feel. Paper, be on the lookout. Them I know who them said them is. Cause you can't say I'm a friend, I love me to the end. I sit down and chat my business.
That me not like. Next thing I me not like, but Tifa say you can't say me and your friend. and sit down and you chat my business. Next thing I'm gonna like, if me and that person there are no friend, and you say you're my friend, and then you there on that person there, and that person they're gonna say something bad about me, and you're gonna come back and tell me, I go pray you too. You know why me I go pray you? That person there, nothing so comfortable I talk about me around you. Yeah. Them too comfortable. That means that the two are no. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't like it. Don't come tell me say that person. No. How them so comfortable to talk about you? To talk about me around you. Get away.
Cause you can't say I'm a friend, I love me to the end and sit down and chat my
Get
business. Paper, what you call friend? All family them too wicked. Claim
Wicked family out here. Some wicked family out there, wicked.
Paper, what you call friend? All family them too wicked. Claim them why you do good, but me misunderstood you nothing do better than them days.
Them claims say you want to do good enough. Them claims say them want you to do good enough. But sometimes you misunderstand what they mean. You see, as soon as you start to better than them, pre-men start.
Claim them why you do good, but me misunderstood you nothing do better than them days. Some of them do real, some of them do real, some of them do real. Me just glad me find out.
Where part them for brother?
Like a baby.
Don't part them brother.
Some of them do.
Brother, make them break our fingernail or something, no, brother. Where you party for? Brother, where you party for? Fingernail forget break, man.
Some of them do real, some of them do real. Me just glad me find out before them done me like a baby. Some of them do real, some of
Oh, what a ass if you get them turn around and them and start beating him. My God.
done me like a baby. Some of them do real, some of them do real, some of them do real. Only God can judge me, can't do me nothing. Yeah, some feel, some feel. Some feel.
Some feel. Some feel. Bad girl Tifa. Tifa. Bad girl Tifa. Bad girl Tifa. Bad artist. Pick up Celtic 222. Da batch, pick up yourself, my bro. Yeah. Some of them don't real. Tifa, bad your bad, you know? Yeah, bad your bad, Tifa. Tifa bad from them time, you know, bro. I'm not joking, you know, dog. Tifa been bad, you know, dog. Yeah, I like the track. The rhythm, I like the rhythm. And I'm quite happy it's a juggling because I definitely will be listening to this rhythm when it forward out, the full version of the rhythm. I like me say Tifa are the first person with on the rhythm. So Mercedes rhythm. So one can don't know, one can check that one out and do. You see me? So yeah. Big up Tifa. Big up Celtic 222. Big up the badge. You see me? That one is nice. It's a strong message tonight. Some of them not real. The only problem me have, the girl fingernail should have get broke. Yeah. Girl fingernail should have get broke. And the youth will intervene. If the girl fingernail get broke, big finger will get broke. Big finger will get broke, man. Yeah. You come on and show out hand. Boom. Brokey. Yeah, man. Leave what the woman them thing, man. Yeah, man, make them start up them thing like that, man. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. But anyway, this is how I'm going to leave that one. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Definitely. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.